Login with Facebook. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. In today's video, I will teach you how to log in to your TikTok account using your Facebook ID. So to do so, head over to your TikTok. Then here there is an option called sign up for TikTok. Instead of this using phone or email and continue with Google, instead tap on continue with Facebook. So once this loads, there will you will find several Facebook accounts that are logged in your device. Simply tap on it, select the account you wish to connect your TikTok with, and then tap on continue and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.